Welcome to my channel. In this video, we will discuss what is keratoconus. Normally, the cornea, that is clear outer lens or windshield of the eye, has a dome shape like this, like a ball. Sometimes the structure isn't strong enough to hold its round shape and it bulges outwards like this, like a nipple and like a cone. This is called keratoconus. It bulges like this. It is called keratoconus. Tiny fibers of protein in the eye called collagen help to hold the cornea in place. These are present in the corneal stroma. When these fibers get weak, they can't hold their shape and therefore cornea gets more and more cone-like. How it happens? It happens when you don't have enough protective antioxidants in cornea mostly. Its cells produce harmful byproducts the same way a car puts out exhaust. Normally, antioxidants get rid of them and protect the collagen fibers, but if levels are low, the collagen weakens and the cornea bulges. So, what are the causes of keratoconus? Exact causes are not yet known, but family history, age, genetic disorders like Marfan syndrome, and continuous eye rubbing and inflammatory disorders can lead to keratoconus. Can it damage vision? Yes. Changes to the cornea make it impossible for the eyes to focus without glasses or contact lenses. In fact, most of the people need corneal transplant to restore the sight. What is the surgery of choice? Laser vision correction surgery, LASIK, is that is dangerous if you have keratoconus. It can weaken your cornea more and make your vision worse. So this is not a surgery, or this is the surgery that is avoided in case of keratoconus. Even if you have only a small degree of keratoconus, don't get LASIK surgery. So, LASIK is contraindicated in patients of keratoconus. What are the symptoms? As the cornea changes shape from a ball to a cone, the smooth surface becomes waxy and produces irregular astigmatism. As the front expands, vision becomes more near-sighted. That means you can see objects clearly only when they are up close. You can't see clearly the images that are far. Anything too far away look like a blur. So it causes nearsightedness and astigmatism. What are the signs for which doctors should look for? 1. Double vision. 2. Objects both near and far look blurry. 3. Bright lights that appear to have halos around them, light streaks, triple ghost images, blurry vision that makes it hard to drive. And the other thing there for which doctors should that is Munson's sign. In Munson's sign, this lower eyelid bulges due to this cone-like shape of cornea. That is Munson's sign. Other signs are Vogt's lines that can be seen in the cornea. Diagnosis. For diagnosis, doctor needs to measure the shape of cornea. There are different ways, but the most common is called corneal topography. The doctor snaps a photo of your cornea and checks it closely. Children of parents with keratoconus should have one every year starting at age 10. So corneal topography in children who have family history, we do every 1 year corneal topography. What is the treatment? As I have told you, LASIK is contraindicated in case of keratoconus. Wear new glasses initially. If you have a mild case, new eyeglasses should clear things up. A treatment called cornea collagen cross-linking is done if the condition cannot be treated with wearing new glasses. When other treatments don't give you a good vision, the last resort is a cornea transplant. This is a very safe operation and it is the surgery of choice, and it's successful more than 90% of cases. The center of your cornea is removed and it is replaced with one from a donor, and it is stitched, and the new one is stitched into the place. You may need contact lenses afterwards. So this is all about keratoconus. Thank you.